Hello grade 10s. So this is an environmental studies project which is due in the third term and it is out of 50. I will be explaining what is expected from you. This project consists of 2 tasks. It is very important to use the rubric for guidance. Task 1 is out of 17. You need to do your research on the biome where you live. Usually we have a field trip as a class around the school. But then since you're all at home, you can use your garden. Those that do not have access to one, you can Google any botanical gardens around your area, such as the Johannesburg Botanical Gardens or the Pretoria Botanical Garden. Research what type of biome it is, judging on the type of climate, plants and animals which are found there. You can only focus on one biome. You then need to write a summary on that chosen biome. In your summary, you should include the following definitions: biome, ecosystem, physiographic factors, and lastly, biotic and abiotic factors. And also a description of the type of animals and plants which are found in that area. For example, if I chose the fynbos biome, I would have proteus or ericus as an example of a plant which is found in that area. I then need to describe the type of plants which are found in that area. They are mostly shrubs with small and hard leaves. Now the same should be done with describing the type of animals which are found in that biome. Lastly, you need to list the negative and positive human impact on the ecosystem. Please note, you are asked to list. Therefore, do not write a paragraph or try to explain. You are only listing. The negative and positive human impact on the ecosystem is something which has been discussed since grade 8. I trust that you will do very well in listing those negative and positive human impact on the ecosystem. Basically, that is all you have to do for task 1. Please note that when writing a summary, you need to reference all the sources you used. This allows you to acknowledge an author for his or her own words. In this summary, you are required to include in-text referencing and a reference list. Please use the APA referencing style. I'll give you a few examples on how to reference. Fynbos is found in the southern and western parts of the Western Cape. New research indicates that the drier winters caused by climate change could spell the end for Cape's unique fynbos. Those highlighted words are not mine. They are copied directly from an internet source. I therefore need to give credit to the author. This is done by placing quotation marks around the text. Then add the surname, year of publication, and page number using that format. Alternatively, you can use this format. Fynbos is found in the southern and western parts of the Western Cape. Glosson reported that new research indicates that drier winters caused by climate change could spell the end for Cape's unique fynbos. Now let's move on to how do you add a reference list at the end of your summary. A reference list should have all the sources you have included in your text. Please look at the format for the different sources. Make sure that the list is in alphabetical order. So that is all for task 1. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.